At dawn on a crisp Friday morning, the east of England found itself shrouded in a dense, almost mystical blanket of fog. From coastal Norfolk to the picturesque lanes of Suffolk, visibility was so poor that street lamps appeared as fuzzy orbs suspended in midair. Commuters waking up to this ethereal scene were quickly reminded that the beautiful atmosphere belied practical concerns. Radio stations buzzed with cautionary announcements. Motorists and commuters were being warned of thick fog that could intensely affect travel. The Met Office had issued a yellow weather warning, starting at 4 o'clock British summertime and expected to persist until 9 o'clock. As the announcement broke, early risers groaned. The warning explicitly detailed how the fog could be quite dense, turning regular journeys into convoluted adventures. The concerns were all too real: longer journey times, possible delays to buses, trains, and even planes were the morning's dark omens. Within minutes, roads that were usually bustling with hurried vehicles transformed into creeping trails of headlights, each motorist inching forward with extreme caution. Over at the train stations, platforms began filling up more than usual as information boards flashed notices of delays and disruptions. The fog had wrapped itself around the timetables like an unpredictable specter. Meanwhile, airports saw the first signs of congestion as flights faced potential delays. For people like Joanna, who worked as a nurse and had an early shift at the hospital, the fog was more than just a nuisance, it was a looming challenge. Her usual 20-minute drive seemed like an eternity as her car crawled through the fumes of fog, her eyes squinting to discern the road ahead. Not far from her, a bus driver named Tom navigated cautiously through what felt like a labyrinth of uncertainty, the road markings almost invisible in the milky haze. Paul, a businessman heading to the airport for a crucial meeting, sat in the back of a taxi anxiously refreshing flight statuses on his phone, praying for no cancellations.